So with YouTube adding a new lower level to their partner program and Twitch just generally being Twitch, a lot of people are going to start looking at streaming on YouTube soon. But it still lacks some features that Twitch has, such as channel points. But there is a way you can add Twitch-style channel points to your YouTube live streams, so your viewers can interact, all thanks to Gazelle and StreamerBot. Before we start, a huge thank you to Tomity and Trent in the Gazelle Discord for helping me get this set up and troubleshoot. So you're going to need to go to this site, ytcr.gazelle.io, and this will bring you through here, and you click on Streamers. And then you need to go to the setup guide. This will give you all the information you need to set up. So as you can see, you need StreamerBot and you need a YouTube channel that is connected to your Discord. Now you just need to go down here and click on the releases page, and this is going to take you through to the GitHub. And on the GitHub, you can scroll down and download YTCR v2.0.0 Gazelle. So once you've downloaded the file, you're going to go into your StreamerBot. I'm using a fresh install StreamerBot just because I wanted to keep it separate, just in case anything went wrong. Nothing did. So we're going to need to import, and then just drag this file into here. Make sure all these boxes are ticked, and then hit import. Once you've done that, if you look under your actions list, you should have a whole bunch of actions for Gazelle, the clipping tool, the error helper, SU channel reward, etc, etc. So once all the actions are there, you're going to need to go to the set channel rewards action, and up here you'll see set global YouTube channel ID to change me. So you need to double click on that, and where it says change me, you need to put your YouTube channel ID. So you can do that by following this link on their startup guide, or you can go to youtube.com/account_advanced, where it will show you your user ID and your channel ID. So just copy your channel ID from the settings and paste it into this box. So once it's all imported and set up, you're going to need to set up the WebSocket client. So for that, you need to go to Servers and Clients, WebSocket Clients, and as you can see, I've set mine up already. All you have to do is right click, add, and it'll come up with this box. So all you need to do is copy all the information from the site over to this. So you've got the name, the endpoint, you make sure these two boxes are checked, make sure all these are checked, set your retry interval to 5. And then with the actions, when it's connected, you just click on that and it'll give you your list of actions. You find set channel rewards, nothing for disconnect, and on the message, execute channel rewards redeem. Then that is all set up, and then you just right click. So this is what it'll show you, and then you just right click, connect, and it'll go to the open status. So once you've done that, head back to the main site and click login. And it's going to ask you to log in with your Discord. Just authorize that, and it'll bring you through to this. And up here where it says StreamerBot, should be nice and green and say connected. So this is where you can make all your settings. So this is the part where you can make all your adjustments. How quickly people earn points, you can manually add and remove points, you can allow clipping if you've set that up, maybe we'll do that in another video. You can wipe your points and you can completely remove yourself. So if we go to rewards, this is where you're going to add the channel points. So if I just delete this Zoom one real quick, all you need to do is add new reward. So it'll ask you what you want to call it. So yeah, we'll just call it Zoom again. Cost 500. Then action ID. To find the action ID, all you need to do is bring up your StreamerBot, go to the actions, find the action you want to use. So Zoom, for example. You need to right click, copy action ID, and then you just paste that into here, and that will link the button to the action. And that's it. Easy as that. Then you just need to do that for each one. As you can see, I've just got a few really simple, a roll, a fade, and a zoom. I'll be setting more up as I actually set up properly. So once that's all set up, you just need to install the YouTube channel rewards extension for Chrome. So this will work on Chrome or any Chromium based browser. So Opera, for example, which I use, it's fine with that. So you need to do this, and you need to get your viewers to install this as well. This is the way they're going to be able to see the channel point redemption on your channel. So now when people watch your stream, underneath the chat, they're going to see this points thing. So they can click on points, and they can click on one of these to activate the effect. So for example, roll, redeem. And it will give a little message saying someone has redeemed roll, and it will trigger that action. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be putting out a lot more tips and tricks videos, how to do stuff with YouTube, how to do stuff with Twitch, OBS, StreamerBot, all of that. It's all going to be great. You can follow on my Twitch at FocusSloth, Twitter FocusSloth, YouTube FocusSloth, funnily enough. If there's anything else you want help with, hit me up. Let me know if you want to help getting started with YouTube streaming or content creating. Just give me a shout. Take care. Bye bye.